Hello, welcome to Schoolbest tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to go through the invoice. To get to invoices on Schoolbest, head to the navigation panel, click on Invoices. Invoices are created automatically when you admit a new student or when you transit the current student to a new term or to a new class. And this is the list of all the invoices for the active students for this current term. And here you find the invoice number, the student admission number, and their name, their class, how much has been invoiced in total for this current term. If they have had any overpayment from last term, it will appear under prepaid. If you have offered them any discount, they will appear here. Paid will be the amount they have paid in this particular term. If they still have arrears for last term, you see the amount. And if they still owe you for this current term, you'll find that balance under current, and the last column balance here shows you the current balance that they have in total. That is the sum of the arrears and the current balance. Then you have the status that shows you those who have cleared, those who have not cleared, those who have overpaid, and those who still have arrears for last term. At the top, we have these 5 different buttons here, filter buttons. The first one filters by status. You can view all invoices like you have on the screen, or you can view only those who have cleared. You can also view for those who have overpaid, they have paid in excess. You can also view those who have balances and those who have arrears for last term, and those who have not paid even a cent in this particular term. The second filter is by the term. You can go back to a different term and you're able to view the invoices. You can also filter by class or grade. You can also filter by streams or houses, and you can also export this table to PDF or to Excel. To view a particular student's invoice, click on the invoice number, and this invoice will appear. So it shows you the details of the student, what the student has been billed, the subtotal. If they have any arrears from last term or overpayment, it will appear here. If you have offered them any discount, the discount will appear here. And then what they're supposed to pay as net, what they have already paid so far, and the current balance. At the bottom, you'll see a list of the payments that you have made against this invoice. Are you able to edit or to delete any of these fee items here? You can also do the same for the balance brought forward. You can also do the same for the discounts. Just click on the discounts and you're going to see a table for the discount you have offered. You can edit and delete the same. When you look at the top right, the end, there's a green button. This one helps you to download the invoice just in case you want to print it. This is the invoice, comes as a PDF. You can download or print. The second button is send invoice. This one is active if you have set up your email with Schoolbest and you're able to send invoices to parents. So this one will send this invoice to these parents' email addresses. You can view other invoices for other different terms. If you want to view Godfrey's invoice for term 2, you can click on term 2 and you see the details. You're also able to view a statement. This one will appear yearly. The default one will be for the current year 2024, and these are the details for the first invoice for term 1 2024. Show you what has been invoiced, the payments that have been made, the closing balance. Then you have the second term 2 2024, still the same, the details. You still have term 3 2024 and a summary at the bottom. You can download this one PDF for printing, and here is a statement in PDF. You can print it. You can also select a different year. If you want to see the statement for 2023, you can have the same, or if you want all the years the student has been with you, you can click on view all years, and you start from the first year to the current year, which you can also download and print. You can also send a payment request, which you can send via SMS and also via email if you have this one configured with Schoolbest. So you can type your message, a sample message, then you click request payment. So the system is going to replace this student with the actual name of this student, as well as the current balance that is there. It is also going to add the pay bill number if you have an M-Pesa pay bill number for the payment, and also it is going to add the admission number for this student automatically once you send this request. From here you can click add payment, and this one will take you to a page you are going to look at later, where you'll be able to add payments. You can also assign a discount level. These ones are set differently, whereby you're able to specify the discounts that you offer. Either you give discount for staff, children, or you give a discount for directors, or you give a discount for scholarship. You can set that and also add this one to the student. You're also able to add a custom discount, whereby you enter the name of the discount and a description for that discount, then enter the amount you're offering, then select the recurrence mode. Is it going to happen once only now, or is it supposed to be happening every term? You can select that. How do you want it to be applied? So as you can see, we have the fee items here. So if I select cascade, it means that the amount I've selected here will be deducted from the school fees first. If something remains of that discount, it will be pushed down to activity fee, and on and on. Or you can select percentage. It is going to give a discount for all these items based on the discount on the percentage calculated. Select the items you want to offer this discount or apply this discount on. If you select school fees, the discount will only be applied on school fees. You can select multiple, and then you click on offer discount. If you have optional items like the co-curriculars, which the student has to choose, for example swimming, you can add the same. And that will be added to this student fee structure. You can also add any other fee. The ones in red are the ones that have already been assigned. So if you want to add, let's say, diary to this student, the amount, let's say, is 500, you can add this. And that's all about school-based invoice. Thank you.